Hey guys, welcome to the Man of Education. Now today in this video we'll talk about all the BBA entrance exams are left behind in 2021. So अभी भी आप कोई BBA entrance exams के लिए preparation कर रहे हो guys and you are not aware about the important dates, exam कब होगा, उनके registration process कब complete होंगे. Guys, watch this video till the end because you are targeting any of the campus because in 2021 आपका कुछ तो aim होगा to enter into that particular college, that particular campus, that particular institutes or wanna prepare for only that particular entrance exams. Okay guys, so in this video we'll talk about all the important dates with respect to the top BBA entrance exams. So moving further, and we have launched the batches for all BBA entrance exams such as the IPMAT, ZipMAT, SET and PAT, CUET, CUCET, St. Xavier's, DOJAT, IPCET, UGAT and all others guys. If you are preparing for 2021, you can join our crash course program, and if you want to prepare for 2022 and 23 guys, you can interact live with us where you will also receive the books at your doorstep. You will learn various shortcut tricks, all doubts will be solved, you will get access for the recorded videos, pre-recorded one, also the topic test with respect to each particular topic, full length mock test, also WhatsApp group will be made so you can easily share all your doubts there. And throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions, and you will also get the mentorship. You will also get preparation for the GD, VAT and interview. So book your seat right now. Call on 8828581455 or you can visit our website manvoedu.com/BBA entrance. So why top college should be targeted? Those candidates who loves the infrastructure or the campus जहाँ उनको feeling आती है yes guys यहाँ काफ़ी अच्छी पढ़ाई हो सकती है because we are here to set our career. Right guys, so उनके लिए the top facilities campus, all the facilities, library facilities, gym facilities, sports facilities, top faculties you will get in the top colleges, exposure to the various industries or organizations for the internship, and the most important one, the placement and also the ROI, because we have invested something, so also we want something more in the return. Okay guys, so always you should target the top entrance exams, तो वहीं से तो मिलेंगे top institutes. So guys, tell me in the comment box for which particular exam you are preparing. Now moving to the main slide, the important dates. Here I listed all the BBA entrance exams and the exam dates. Some of the dates are the tentatively, we'll talk about later. Now CUET, only 5th round is remaining, last round, and it will be held on the 19th of June. And PAT, all the dates are out guys. अभी भी अगर form fill नहीं किया guys, go to the website and fill the forms. Exam date will be the 27th of June, 2nd and the 3rd of July. So before it was the 4th of July, now 4th की जगह पे अभी 3rd July हो चुका है guys. Now with respect to the SET general, then 10th to the 13th of July. Okay, IPMAT with respect to IIM Indore, then it is 16th of July. Now also UGAT, okay, to enter into the top colleges like OP Jindal College. Okay. So the exam date is nothing but the 4th of July and the 11th of July. Now 4th of July paper based test होगा, then again 4th and on 11th of July there will be IBT mode test. IPMAT IIM Rohtak, although हमेशा IPMAT रोहतक की एग्जाम जो होती है गाइस IIM इंदौर के पहले हो जाती है, सो माइट बी इन द सेकंड वीक ऑफ जुलाई बट बिफोर 16th ऑफ जुलाई हो सकता है बिकॉज एडमिशन प्रोसेस भी IIM रोहतक का कुछ जल्दी स्टार्ट हो जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू IIM इंदौर. ओके गाइस, सो वी कैन अज्यूम 10 to 15th ऑफ जुलाई आपका IIM रोहतक का एग्जाम हो जाएगा. दे आफ्टर ZipMAT सेम पीरियड 10 to 15th ऑफ जुलाई बिकॉज दीज आर द न्यूली वन. अभी इन्होंने लॉन्च किया है 5-year इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम IIM जम्मू एंड IIM बोध गया. So definitely ये सोचेंगे first candidate should be enter in our campuses. Okay guys, for IIM Indore already the reputed one for the 5-year integrated program, वहाँ तो student जाने वाले हैं. Thereafter IIM रोहतक वहाँ भी जाएंगे, but lot of the students will also target the IIM Ranchi and IIM बोध गया and even IIM जम्मू. Okay guys, with respect to St. Xavier अभी भी notification out नहीं हुआ है but might be in the 2nd week or 3rd week of July. DOJAT here guys due to the 12th board cancellation. ओके, नाउ माइट बी DU में जो एडमिशन्स होगा वो मेरिट बेस हो सकता है, सो हो सकता है कि आपके DOJAT का एग्ज़ाम ना हो. इवन CUCET को ये भी नोटिफिकेशन आया था कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल हो चुकी है, बट इवन वो अभी भी कह रहे हैं एग्ज़ाम हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है. सो माइट बी योर एडमिशन विल बी ऑन द बेस ऑफ मेरिट. इफ मेरिट बेस्ड एडमिशन होंगे देन DOJAT, IPCET माइट बी नहीं हो सकते. So let's see, the tentative dates is nothing but the first week of August for DOJAT, IPCET same first week of August, and with respect to the TISBAT अभी भी कोई notification out नहीं हुआ है guys, but we can assume in the 2nd week of August. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज रिस्पेक्ट टू द सोशल वर्क प्रोग्राम। सो यहाँ बीच में कुछ लेना देना नहीं है गाइज। इवन अगस्त में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं एंड एकेडमिक सेशन स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ सेप्टेंबर। ओके गाइज, सो दीज ऑल आर द इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स। नाउ किक स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम जस्ट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स, बिकॉज डेट्स माइंड में फिक्स कर लो गाइज, बिकॉज वी आर इंडियन स्टूडेंट। जब हमें डेट मिलेगी वी कैन स्टार्ट अवर प्रिपरेशन अकॉर्डिंगली। नाउ वट एवर टाइम यू हैव, डिवाइड इन द पार्ट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सेक्शन। कहाँ आपको ज़्यादा प्रिपरेशन करना है, कौन से सेक्शन आपके वीक है, इवन विच आर द सेक्शंस योर स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन। सो स्टार्ट योर जर्नी विथ all the proper strategies. Okay guys, and now if you want a preparation material, then come at manualedu.com, then come to the buy online section and click on the BBA entrance exams. These are the respective packages: full course, book study materials, mock tests, and this sectional course. So click on full course show packages first. Now these are the respective programs: IPMAT Comprehensive 2021. Now in this you will get the video lectures, mock tests, and the handouts for the practice purpose. So if you are preparing for any of the IIMs, IIM Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi, Bodh Gaya, and the Jammu, guys, you can enroll for this particular package. Now in this you will get 275 video lectures and the 46 handouts. Now if you are preparing for IPM and even for all BBA entrance exams, you can enroll for the silver package here. For IPMAT and PAT set, St. Xavier, Christ University, UGAT, and all other entrance exams, here you will find the diamond package. Okay guys, just click on view details here. You will get the 361 video lectures, 107 handouts, and 170 mock tests with respect to each particular sections also, and the full length mock test also. If you are preparing for TISBAT, you can enroll for this particular package. For NPAT, here it is. For the Christ, now only last few days are remaining. Now you can boost your preparation with this particular package. For the Set General Symbiosis, this one, for the St. Xavier, and for the ZipMat. And even if you want to prepare for 2023, you can enroll live with us, and even you can enroll for this particular package. Okay guys, so these all are the respective programs for the respective BBA entrance exams. Now if you want to study materials, guys, you can order the books, all BBA entrance set of 5 books. Just click on view details. You will get the quantitative aptitude, English, reasoning, data interpretation, and the general studies. Separate book for the separate section. You can also enroll for the ebooks. Now if you have done the preparation and want to evaluate yourself, guys, you can give the mock test. Give the number of mock tests and get analyze yourself at which particular stage you are, guys. जितने mock test दोगे, that will create more benefits to crack any entrance exams. So you can enroll for the topic test. With respect to quant, you will get 48 tests, logic 62, English 22, and with respect to GK 20 tests. Now as only few days are remaining, you can give the mock test for the CUET, 10 mock tests. You will get 5 mini and 5 full length mock tests. Now same for IPMAT Indore, you will get 2 mini tests and 10 full length mock tests. IPMAT Rohtak, 3 mini tests, 10 full length mock tests. Same for NPAT, 2 mini plus 10 full length. Set General, 15 full length test. And also for the ZipMat, IIM Jammu and Bodh Gaya. Now here you will get the 5 mini tests and 10 full length mock tests. So guys, it is very important you should fight the battle of the mock test, because if you wanna crack any particular entrance exams, then ये तो श्योर है guys, mock test दिए बिना आप एनालाइज नहीं कर सकते कि आपको और अभी कितना प्रिपरेशन करना बाकी है. Now if you are lacking in any particular section, section wise courses join कर सकते हो guys. These all are the respective programs, separate for English or verbal, separate for logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, GK or current affairs, critical or verbal reasoning, separate for DI, DS and DC, complete data interpretation. Christ University 2021 for the personal interview preparation. GK booster guys, 3,500 plus questions with respect to the static GK and also with respect to the current affairs, and it also includes the business GK. Now guys, this is the last time. All dates you got. Now plan all your strategies, prepare roadmap and start your preparation accordingly. Okay guys, so still if you have any doubts guys, ask me in the below comment section and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So wanna join live class? Call on this number, or you can also call on these particular numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So all link I mentioned in the description, kindly check those links, and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manwar BBA Entrance. So this is all guys, all the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.